Jack69 and welcome back to another video, guys. Today is another episode. Today, guys, we are going to be doing a trolling video. I've tried to do a trolling video in the past with my friends. It did not work. So I'm just going to do it on what's the most popular thing right now. And I was thinking, well, what's popular that always comes up that's on ads on YouTube? And I thought, Fortnite. The ones that's like, do you want to join my free gift card giveaway? Do you want to join 10,000 V-Bucks? Like, subscribe, comment, go screw yourself, and all that. And I thought YouTube wouldn't work because comments would take forever to reload, right? But I thought, how about I create a Instagram? So I created an account called Fortnite Fan 9000. Well, only because 9000 because it's a meme. And literally, I just followed all the Fortnite people. I followed Ninja, Myth, Dr. Lupo, Dr. Disrespect. I followed famous people like Little Pump, Taylor Swift, and all that, just so it wouldn't look like I just created it today. So this is it. My description is Ninja's best friend. I did record this again, but unfortunately I would have leaked my phone number otherwise. So yeah, I created it today. So if I just go to the people I'm following: PewDiePie, Little Pump, Tim, Dr. Lupo, PUBG, YouTube, Dr. Disrespect, Myth, Ninja, Fortnite, and all that. And I just got 5 followers. And look at these 2. Free V-Buck giveaway. Free V-Buck giveaway. So it goes, look at this. I double the Fortnite V-Bucks. So he says, read only message if serious. So if we're only seriously, we'll do that. And what's the other one? I just found this one. Says, if you need 3,000 V-Bucks, just press and urgently the URL from bio. Don't, guys, press this. You are going to get a scam and you are going to get virus. Don't even dare do it, guys. It's not worth it. But I'm going to do this guy. I don't Fortnite V-Bucks because we can message him and he probably will respond, right? Why has he got a picture of... Oh! 2 minutes ago, special offer today. Will triple your V-Bucks until dinner time tonight. DM for serious business. So I thought, you know what? We've got Ninja's best friend, Fortnite Fan 9000, and we're gonna find a picture. So we'll just go Fortnite characters. We'll just find a Fortnite character. We'll just go. So I'll just do this guy. Okay, we'll be back with my account now. Okay, now, if I refresh, it should... No, it's still not there. Why is it not there? Come on. Why is my picture not there? Where is it? I can't even find it. It's right here. Come on. Really, is it not going to be there? Whatever. It doesn't need to be there. But what we do need to do... Let's go to this guy. And we are going to troll him a bit. So we're following him. We're gonna go a bit of messaging. Let's do this, guys. Okay, guys, just found out how I done it. I had to download the app. But if we go in here, camera, yes, yes. Right. Here we go, guys. So I'm gonna type, hey man, just saw your bio. Wow. Right, yeah, I'm gonna wait for send to him. Alright, I'll get back when he replies. Okay, boys, just type in. I just eating something. You seen it now? Type in. Oh my god. For this, because I texted him on his account saying I just text you, I want some V-Bucks. So if he says like go to this link, that would be like the worst fail ever. Come on. It's taking a while to type. What's going on? Come on, I want some V-Bucks, man. I want those free V-Buck giveaways. By the way, guys, if you do come across someone to ask you for free V-Bucks, like those channels, like asking for free V-Bucks, like saying it's a gift card giveaway, don't trust them. It's impossible. Giving your account details to anyone, you could lose your account forever. You could lose even personal details like credit cards if you connected it to the account. So whatever you do, kids, if you are watching this video and someone's asked you, do you want free V-Bucks or even any currency, sounds good. Do you have an Xbox store card? Oh my god, it has to be $10 or more. Then I enter the code, an Xbox gamer tag, into my site computer. Okay, what do I say? I'll just say, I actually have a PS4. Yeah, I have Xbox, and then it will hit your account with 2 times the V-Bucks normally get. I have been playing for months now, and I want the Are you like legit? He's obviously not. This is the fakest thing you'll ever see. Like anything like this, just don't do it, guys. Don't do it, okay? And he posted 19 hours ago, probably because he's had previous posts deleted from Instagram or something like that. So I said, yeah, I have Xbox, and I would love V-Bucks to be played for something with the Battle Pass. Are you, like, legit? So now he's doing an offer for today. Wait, you have an Xbox store gift card and code numbers ready. Oh, see, he's one of these, like, Indian scammers. Well, I'm not going to be racist, but most of these Indian scammers. Yes, I do, actually. I have one on me because it was my birthday a week ago. Guys, by the way, my birthday is next week, so if you want to wish me happy birthday next. Thanks for your time. Thanks for my time? I have a lot of people asking right now and don't want to waste my time. If you don't have one yet, let me know. I'll make things happen. Thanks for your time. I do have one! Where's this guy gone? He doesn't have many people because he's only got 60 followers. So this is the most bullshit thing I've ever heard. Sorry about my language. I just hate people who are like this. Okay, wait. Quick question. Oh god, I spelled it wrong. If I give you a gift, a card, how will you transfer? How does this work though? Because he hasn't even told me about put on my gamer tag, right? But knowing it, I'll have to give him my password. Okay, then send the following information: gamer tag card S. Oh my god. This is actually great though. This is like a 10-minute banger. I mean, probably more. But this guy great. I mean, if it was on a call, it'd be much better. And because when I enter your name and card info into my computer and how I do the V-Bucks go into your account when I hit enter. Don't you need my password? Watch him say yeah. He'll be like, oh yeah, you forgot, you gotta give me your password. Or he'll just say no, just give me the code. Scammers, I hate scammers, I'm sorry. But literally, the second I literally followed a couple of Fortnite YouTubers, he adds me. What a surprise. No, because my site, you only need your gamer tag because that's how it hits your account. How many people have you given V-Bucks to? It is instant. It is instant, guys. This guy seems legit because it's instant. The V-Bucks are given instantly. Oh my god. I understand what you're saying. It's so good. If you don't want to, Fortnite banned my other page because it actually works. So just let me know. Oh, right, okay. I understand now. This guy is like typing very fast. It sounds like some of it's copy and pasting. I wonder. 4 to 5 past 1 to 2 days because I found a new way because they blocked and deleted the other one. Overall, it's given to tons. Won't my account get banned though? If you don't want, I don't want to waste your time, but let me know. You won't regret it. I won't regret it because I get free V-Bucks. I know this isn't a full one, like taking on like forever, but I got some beat into it. He's not spending it on other people. I want to hear this guy's, and no, because Fortnite has no way in knowing and can only patch the way I do. Oh. Oh my god. If this guy says, like, I work for Microsoft, I swear to god, I'm done. I'm done if he says it. Fam, I swear. Oh my god, if he does. Oh my god, if he does, I swear. Great content, boys. No, I was in computer class for school and just found a way to get around stuff. Is this illegal? Oh my god. Right, boys, I'm going to announce it now in a minute. And say one more thing, man, before I give it to you. And I'll be like, wave to YouTube. One more thing before. No, it's not illegal. It's a glitch, and glitches are illegal. Few won't get banned. Oh, so the code. Boom! Wave to YouTube, you disgusting person. Don't cam people. You have no life. Guys, this is it right here. I'm gonna see if he has a response. No response, and he's blocked. Anyways, guys, don't listen to these scammers, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.